Hello friends, welcome to Schnell Advisors. This is Sangeeta Ghosh, CA by profession, having 10 years of working experience in finance and taxation and having 12 years of experience in trading and investment. Many of you guys are aware by the term of investment, but I would like to understand कि आप इन्वेस्टमेंट को आप क्या समझ में आता है, आपको एक वर्ड से आपको क्या समझ में आता है? इन्वेस्टमेंट कुछ लोग इसको सेविंग भी समझते हैं, जैसे कि हमारी हाउसवाइफ्स होती है, वो थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा कबर्ड्स में, शेल्फ में, कपड़ों के बीच में सेव करके रखती है. बट देयर इज अ बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेविंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट. सेविंग मीन्स आपका जो भी आप पैसे सेव करते हो वो उतना ही रहता है इवन आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सपोज आपने एक पिगी बैंक में एक एक पैसे सेव किए, आफ्टर 5 years अगर आप वो ओपन करके देख रहे हो तो वो उतना ही रहेगा जितना आपने सेव किया था. लेकिन व्हेन इट कम्स टू इन्वेस्टमेंट वैसा नहीं है. इन्वेस्टमेंट मीन्स अप्रिसिएशन ऑफ योर सेविंग. मतलब अगर आप एक एक पैसे कहीं पे इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो आफ्टर 5 years अगर आप ओपन करके देखोगे तो आपका, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से अमाउंट 1 lakh rupees यू हैव सेव्ड और यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड, तो आपका आफ्टर 5 years इट में बिकम 1.5 लाख हो सकता है, 2 लाख भी हो सकता है. सो देर इज called appreciation of saving. Now let's understand why we all should be investing in some form or the other. Maybe there are goals like child marriage, maybe you want a dream vacation, you have a goal of having a dream home, dream car, and lot many things like retirement planning, child education. So in order to achieve those goals, one should be investing. Friends, I'm happy to announce that Schnell Advisors is growing and we are going to be a one-stop solution for all types of investments. In this video, I would like to introduce my partner, Mr. Chetan Shah, who is into this insurance and investment business since 1963. So, welcome Chetan Shah to Schnell Advisors.
Thank you.
Chetan, I would like to know what is your take in investments? What do you think about investments and what are the types of insurance, types of investments, where we should invest? Please give us some light.
Thank you, Sangeeta, for introducing me to Schnell Advisors. Hi, Mr. Chetan Shah. Let me give you a brief about me. I am an MBA and I have been in insurance line since the last 60 years. I'm not 60 years, but this is a family tradition. So I'm just continuing. I'm the second generation in insurance line. Sangeeta has touched upon the topic of investments. Why one should be investing? I would like to say is what type of investments we are looking for. It all depends on your goals, your needs. It can be a long-term investment, it can be a mid-term investment, it can be a short-term investment. When we talk about long-term, we are looking at 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, something like that. When we are looking at mid-term, we are looking at less than 15 years. And when we are looking at short-term, it's maybe around 2 years' time. Within 2 years, a lot of things can happen. For an example, long term, then we are looking at retirement planning, child marriage. For mid-term, we might be looking for children's education, dream home. For short term, we can be looking at a dream vacation, possible, a dream car we would like to buy. So all these kind of things come out onto these ways of investments. Now, where should we be investing? It all depends on what are your goals, what are your priorities, and how you would like to achieve those priorities. Now, when we go into types of investments, it can be in a lot of things like debt funds. For example, if I take debt funds, it comes into fixed deposits because fixed deposits is a debt fund. It can be into National Savings Certificate. It can be into Kisan Vikas Patra. So these are debt funds. Along with that, if you're looking for a long term, then we go into Provident Fund, we go into PPF, we go into National Pension Scheme. If you're looking for a short term, then definitely we are looking into equities, we're looking into options, derivatives, mutual funds. So my understanding of this agreement is all depending upon your duration of investment. According to this, investment in insurance is also necessary. Why is it necessary? Because if you're putting the money into real estate, into mutual funds, into equities, wherever we need to have a high rate of returns, we should be sure that we will get a high rate of returns, but there is a way where we can fall down and we may be making a loss. So we need to hedge this in investments. So here we come into the picture of insurance. Insurance can be two types of insurance. One is life. That is we are the most important people because of us we are able to make these investments. Because of me my family is running. Because of me my family is having a good social status. Because of me the money is coming to home. The other type of insurance which is also very much necessary is general insurance. So anything which is not covered in life is covered in general insurance, be it health, which is a very good investment. My dear friends, if you have not done a health insurance, you are making the biggest investment mistake. Please, even though, I'm into insurance, I'm not saying life only, I'm saying general also. Because in general, if you do not do health insurance, the money which you spend in hospitals is gone forever, and there is no return on that. So when we are looking for investments, my main topic would be the main intention would be to get some returns. It can be 5% return and it can be 25% return also. So depending on the risk ability of each and every one, we need to hedge the investments, and that is only possible through insurance. So once again, I take this opportunity of thanking Sangeeta and inviting me, and definitely we'll be working together for the investment one-stop solution which we are going to have for investments. So thank you, Sangeeta.
My pleasure, sir. So friends, I hope you like this video. There are a lot many other videos are coming up based on investments, investment strategies, tips. So I hope you will like, share, subscribe this video, and also press the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you.
Thank you.